Are you looking for a company to remodel your kitchen but don't know where to start? No worries. Forte Construction and Design can help. Forte Construction and Design does any type of kitchen remodeling you may need. Forte Construction and Design manages the project from start to finish and covers all aspects of the project, with providing 3D rendering service for you to visualize your new space. With Forte Construction and Design, there is no dealing with multiple companies or crews, and no need to go anywhere else for any part of the project, including flooring, painting, cabinets, backsplash, countertop appliances, electrical plumbing, crown moldings, pantries, taking out any structural walls, pulling permits, and as well as scheduling the inspections. Forte Construction and Design does it all. No job is too big or too small. Whatever you imagine as your dream kitchen, Forte Construction and Design can make your dream come true. Call us today at 540-681-1846 to schedule for your free estimate.
To learn more, visit us at forteconstructiondesign.com.